Did you know some dragons don't breathe fire? Meet Danny the dragon, who feels super embarrassed because every time he gets excited or nervous, he sneezes out colorful flowers instead of scary flames like other dragons. Danny thinks he's broken and tries to hide from everyone. But when a terrible winter storm destroys all the beautiful flowers in the forest meadow, guess whose special sneezes save the day? Danny discovers his flower sneezes aren't embarrassing at all. They're his superpower that brings the most amazing spring garden back to life.